This video tutorial will provide the understanding of how to add a W-7 to a tax return within the AccuTax software. The IRS uses the W-7 form to assign an Itin, which is an individual taxpayer identification number, which is for federal tax reporting only and not intended to serve any other purpose. The Itin helps individuals comply with the U.S. tax laws to provide a means to process an account for tax returns and payments for those who are not eligible for a Social Security number. The W-7 must be included on the completed tax return for which the Itin is needed. If the Itin is for the primary taxpayer, create a new return. From the Work in Progress screen, select the Add New button in the software menu bar. The Add New Return window will open. Instead of entering a Social Security number, select the W-7 button at the bottom left. This will start a new tax return with a Social Security number consisting of all nines for you to attach a W-7 form to the return. To add a W-7 form to an existing tax return, select the Add Forms button in the Return menu toolbar, or use the shortcut key by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard, and the Forms and Schedules window will display. Select the form W-7 from the list of forms and schedules. Follow the same steps in the additional Itin that needs to be added to the return. Tax returns with a W-7 attached must be mailed and cannot be e-filed. Before mailing the return, attach all W-7 forms to the front of the tax return. Once the W-7 has been processed by the IRS, an Itin will be assigned to complete the return for processing. After watching this video, you should now understand how to add a W-7 form to a tax return. Check out our many in-depth training video tutorials in the AccuTax University Library.